of falling to my knees as I sing a lullaby of pain. I'm feeling broken in my melody as I sing to help the tears go away. Then I remember the pledge you made to me. I know you're always there to hear my every prayer inside. I'm clinging to the promise of a lifetime. I hear the words you say to never walk away from me and leave behind the promise of a lifetime. Will you help me fall apart? Pick me up, take me in your arms. Find my way back from the storm, and you show me how to grow through the change. I still remember the pledge you made to me. I know you're always there to hear my every prayer inside. I'm clinging to the promise of a lifetime. I hear the words you say to never walk away from me and leave behind the promise of a lifetime. I am holding on to the hope I have inside. With you I will stay through every day, putting my understanding aside. I am comforted to know you're always there to hear my every prayer inside. I'm clinging to the promise of a lifetime.